So in this session we'll understand how to find out the log gap from primary standby database. So let's see the database which is in open mode. What open mode we have, and the database role from VDollar database. So this is your primary, and we have one more server which is standby. So this is our physical standby server and your primary server. The current arclog we can find out is 281. And if you verify in the standby, the process sequence number from VDollar managed underscore standby. So MRP is applying 281, RFS at 281. From your standby server, we have verified the archive is being received and applied by MRP. It was 280. The current log sequence number is 281. Now this is primary. Using VDollar arc underscore dest underscore status, we can find out your log gap. We'll set the format for lines 200 and destination format for destination with 11 characters. And for error identifier column with characters 20. So destination and applied for sequence and archived the sequence number, the gap status, and your error from VDollar archive underscore dest underscore status, where dest ID equal to 2. Destination 1 is being declared for primary, destination 2 is declared configured for standby. So we need to use destination ID 2. In case you have more than 2 standby servers and you want to verify that particular standby, ensure that the standby is configured either destination 2 or 3 and set to ID to 2 or 3 value. So as of now we have only one standby server for primary. So the destination was configured for 2. So we'll use 2. You can see the standby server from your primary we are finding out applied currently 279 and been archived 280. And there is no gap and no errors in your standby server. So this is how we verify from primary whether archives received and applied in your standby without any errors, without gap in your standby server. Using VDollar arc underscore dest underscore status, we can find out the gap status column from your VDollar arc underscore dest underscore status for that particular destination which we configure for the standby server. We can also cross check from standby, even from VDollar managed underscore standby, the MRP and RFS process are being up and running and been applied. So done with this session guys, thank you.